b'ekiama gia ODM abo baremeye serikali nigo bakanire omoroberio bogocha Kobaga Chinkongo chia Gesiasa ase ogotenena ebirogo bagokwana ekero kiegeikaro ekio egati y'ababunge ba ODM nigo batebire omoroberio oyo nigo goita obosibore bw'ebiama na kogenda mamincha y'egatiba boigo nigo bakureire buna omoroberio oyo oisa goikeranigwa nigo orairanie ense ya Kenya ase chingaki chiri chikiama ekemo.
Because I did attend, I sent my apologies for NDC, I wasn't there, that if there is a party position on zoning, I have not seen a communication on it. And so if there is a party position on zoning, I will respect the party position, even though I don't agree with it. That is allowed. I may not agree with the party position, but respect it. So if that is a party position, I will respect it, but I do not agree with the concept of zoning, and especially the way that we are going about it. The way we should be operating, because we actually have a broad-based arrangement with the UDA, what we should be doing is strengthening our party, and having strengthened our party, then you have normally the way Baba used to do it, have quiet negotiations with our coalition partners. Not go the way we are doing, throwing tantrums and chest thumping and threatening, you know, and all that. I don't think that's the way to build coalitions.
That Kenya is a multi-party democracy with over 100 political parties registered so far. Today, there is public participation that is ongoing to register 4 more political parties. So we have more than enough political parties in the country. And therefore, if one so chooses to zone a particular region, I do not know whether all the political parties will agree to zone particular areas for particular political parties. But if that is not the case, and we are only targeting ODM as a party and UDA, then we are disenfranchising those political parties. And therefore, I think the issue of zoning needs to be looked at in context, that we will not pattern this country only alongside 2 political groupings. If it is only 2, then we are getting it wrong. But if even DCP can secure the ground and zone areas for us, then it is a conversation that we can entertain. But we will not segregate this country just for ODM and UDA as political parties, which cannot be limited. So no one can be gagged. In fact, if we so do, we shall be going against our own constitution that the late former Prime Minister really fought for to achieve. Finally, we may go back to the single-party dictatorship if we are not careful.